Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to the maths session. I'm here, your Jasdeep ma'am from the Little Star School. Now, we are going to do addition and subtraction of like fraction, a new concept. In the previous session, we have completed our exercise 7.4, right? Now, in this addition subtraction of like fraction, till now we were doing of like fraction. What we were doing? We were comparing, we were taking equivalent fraction, right? Now with the like fraction we will do addition and subtraction. So in page number 155 they are telling that take 7 into 4 grade sheet. We have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sheet. The sheet has 7 boxes in each row. Each row has 7 boxes as I have counted, and 4 boxes in each column, right? So now how many boxes are there? So that we can count, right? So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Total, how many boxes are there? 28. But there is one more method to find it out. What it is? Row into column. So row into column is equals to, row is 7 boxes are there, in column 4 boxes are there. So 7 into 4 is 28. Right? We can find like that way also. But here they are telling that color 5 of its boxes in green. So we have to color 5 boxes in green. So we'll color 5 boxes with green. Let's color it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now, what fraction of whole is green region? Now, they are telling fraction we have to take out of the green region. So, the fraction will be 5 boxes we have shaded and 28 are there in total, right? Like that way only we are writing the fraction. And now color another 4 of 8 boxes in yellow. So I'm not having yellow, I will do with black. 4 boxes with black. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 and 4. 4 boxes I have colored with black. Now they are telling the fraction of take out the black portion, black region. So what I will write? I will write 4 are shaded in black and total 28 is there. So this was of green and this one is of black. Okay, this both are the fraction. What fraction of whole is colored all together? No, all together. They are not specifying that which green or black. All together how much is shaded? Okay, so colored were this and this 5, right? Green are 5 and black are 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So what we got the answer? 9 upon and 28 are the 9 upon 28. Right? But there is any another way to find it out? Yeah, it is there. Green was 5 upon 28 and black was 4 upon 28. As I told, denominators are same means they are like fraction. So it is very easy to do addition and subtraction in like fraction. So 5 plus 4 is 9 and both denominators are same. So we'll write the denominator 28 only. So here we got 9 upon 28 and 9 upon 28. Right? It is easy. Like that way only. On the next page, page number 156. They are telling we have 2 quarter part of a figure shaded. They means we have 2 part of 4 shaded or 1 upon 2 of a figure shaded. Means they are telling out of 4 they have told. Out of 4 means a box is having 4 sides. Right? And quarter is shaded. What is the meaning of quarter? Quarter means 1 upon 4. Right? So they are telling 2 quarters are shaded. How many quarters? 2. So means 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. 2 quarters are shaded. So I will shade 2 quarter, 1 quarter and 2 quarter. So I will write 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. So if without seeing, with seeing the figure, what I will write the total is 2 are shaded and total are 4. But without this figure also I can solve it. Denominators are same, so it is a like fraction, so I will write the denominator 4 and 1 plus 1 is 2, so I will write 2. In subtraction of like fraction, from the page number 156, first we have done addition, now we are doing subtraction. So the explanation given is like Shirmala is a girl, she is having one cake. Everyone like cake? She is having cake. And how many parts are there? We'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts are there, divided into 6 parts. But she has only 5 parts out of 6. 5 upon 6 portion she is having. But she is a good girl. She is sharing with his younger brother. Okay. So she is sharing how much portion? From her portion she is sharing 2 upon 6. Means out of 6 she is sharing 2 piece with her younger brother. Means you can see that first she was having 5. Okay. Out of this 5, 2 are given to the younger brother. So okay, we'll cut this with this 2. So now they are asking how much cake is left for her. How much cake is left? So what we'll do? We'll see that total 6 was there. She got 5. Already one anyone has took. 5 piece was left. So from 6 piece she got 5 piece. And from 5 piece she has given 2 piece to her younger brother. So the remaining are 1, 2 and 3. She got 3. But we can do it by the fraction also. 5 upon 6 she was having. Minus she gave 2 upon 6 portion to the younger brother. Denominators are same. Means they are a like fraction. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 upon 6. It is easy doing addition and subtraction of like fraction. Okay. Now we will start exercise 7.5. In question number 1 of exercise 7.5 from the page number 157, the question is, write this fraction appropriately as addition or subtraction. We have done, right, addition and subtraction. So first you'll write the fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are there and 1 is shaded. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5 parts are there and 2 are shaded. 5 parts are there and 2 are shaded. Okay. And here again 5 parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are there and 3 are shaded. Okay. So here which sign I will put? So I will get 3. Here I can see that equals to sign is there. Equals to. Right? Means if we do 1 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5, we will get 3, or we will do 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5, we will get 3 upon 5. As you can see, denominators are same. So I put the same denominator. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So here we have written 3. Yes, so what sign will come? Addition sign will come. 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 is equals to 3 upon 5. Okay, like that way only we will do B and C. Here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are there. And 5 are shaded. Here again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are there. And 3 are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are there, but 2 are shaded. So here equals to is there. So which sign we'll put here? So we'll get 2. So in 5 and 3, what we'll put? So we'll get 2. If we will do the addition, 5 plus 3. So what answer will come? 5. So 6, 7, 8. 8 will come. So 8. 8 upon 5 is written? No. If we will do 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. We got the answer. And as both denominators are same, it is a like fraction. So we have written 5 only. Right? So 5 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 equals to 2 upon 5. Okay. Like that way only C. See in this what it is written in C sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 balls are there in the box and 2 are shaded. Here total 6 boxes are there. How many are shaded? 3 are shaded. Here also 6 boxes are there. And how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are shaded. So which sign I will put here? So I will get the answer 5 upon 6. So 2 plus 3. First we will see the addition. 2 plus 3. So it is what? It is 5. Right? So we put the sign of addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 balls are shaded. Okay.